Welcome to the video. I have purchased a PS5 to unbox for you. This is the Fortnite edition and the 1 terabyte, the disc. This ain't the Pro or nothing. I was gonna get the Pro, but they were all sold out. This is basically the only thing they had. But I got it for $4.99, I guess, at Best Buy. The cord and the little feet. It's supposed to be brand new. Let's hope that's what it is. This is actually my second PlayStation 5. The other one I actually sold to a buddy. And I wish I would have never did that. So I was like, well, might as well buy one at Black Friday. Black Friday sale. Cord for the HDMI. And the controlling. I don't think I had one of them on my last one. Maybe, maybe not. So, let's close this back up. I think, and then I gotta try to get this out somehow. Alright, give me a second. Now we flip it over. I thought this was funny how they did this, but it's pretty cool at the same time. Yeah, if I can get I think I can get things with one hand. Instructions. I got this. I think there's a digital code for the game, of course. The manual, the book. Who honestly reads those? I guess if you're bored, maybe, right? I think this is the Fortnite code here, the digital code, which I think I already got it. I don't know, maybe not for the PlayStation, I guess. And now, taking the system out, which I grab down here, and I'll pull up. I was trying to shake it too much. Oh, here we go, one hand. Woohoo! Yeah, I mean, I wanted the Pro. In fact, I wanted that 30th anniversary edition, you know. But man, that's going for like $700. It's freaking just insane, man, how much that was going for. Of course, people were reselling it on eBay for like 1,000 or more. But yeah, let me bring this over here so I can set it down. Put this back in the box here. Okay, so the box and everything, put it over there. I thought I'd just do something simple today. I'm eventually going to get a part for that stereo over there to fix, because that will give some good content as well. Yeah. Ooh, there we go. I gotta put the feet on, of course. I was gonna get the ring to stand it up, but you know what I heard? I heard you, it's best to lay these down because for some reason they overheat when they get hot. Standing up like that, it does something to the processor. I have no idea. That's what I was told about it. I don't know if that was hearsay. I actually had a cooling dock for my other one. Had extra controllers and stuff like that, and well, let it go, of course. Silly me. Okay, I gotta put these in here. I think. Oh. Hold you with this other hand here. Is that how that goes in? I'm pretty sure that's how it went in. Alright. I want to hook it up in here. So give me 1 second because I don't know where I'm going to put it. I got a stereo there. Although I might put it in the bedroom along with my computer because I got my capture device in there. Yeah, the cords, and then you got the book and controller. Oh, what a quick video this is, but like always, thanks for watching. Love and peace.